afternoon. My name is Leanna. I'm a six-year graduate student and research assistant at Lehigh University in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Under the direction of Linda Lokrentz, I work in a blood vessel research lab, a vascular research lab. I was attracted to that work originally because I have some familial experience with cardiovascular disease. My grandfather is a post-World War II veteran and worked for NASA. He had a very stressful job as an electrical engineer, and he was also an alcoholic. So he suffered from heart disease and died from his second massive heart attack at 48 years of age. He has 6 children, one of which is my mother, and then her oldest sister also has cardiovascular disease. So she suffers from atherosclerosis and has her femoral artery cleaned out every 6 months, but she doesn't have any of those environmental factors that my grandfather had. And so it follows that there's some genetic component and molecular underpinning for cardiovascular disease that we don't yet understand. And the lab that I work for, that's funded by the NIH, actually studies a specific factor in the membranes of these cells that make up blood vessels, mainly the smooth muscle cell layer and the innermost layer that contact the blood. And this factor binds a biomolecule called heparin and internalizes it and elicits signaling that's important for maintaining the vessel integrity or the plumbing of your body. And so it prevents clogs, just like the plumbing in your house. It prevents the clogs, prevents the leaking of that vasculature. And since we believe it's atheroprotective, we really need to understand more about its function and structure. And it's my contention then that it would affect not just people in the Western world, but since this is on the rise globally, 1 in 4 people suffer from cardiovascular disease. I think the research is very important. Thank you.